Good morning. This is Shirley from Shirley's World Vlog. It is Friday, the 27th of February, and I have one thing going out on Poshmark today. This is a Brooks Brothers size 17 by 34. It's a Pima cotton long sleeve dress shirt. It's a button-down collar, and the style is Madison. So this is going to, where are we going? Mooresville, North Carolina. So this was bought yesterday, last night. It's a tiny little window pane check. I'll put a picture of it so you can see it better. Yeah, very nice shirt. Going out Ground Advantage in one of these brown envelopes. And it's the only thing that'll be in my bin today. So our snow is rapidly melting, and I'm able to get to the garage today. So I'm wondering whether I should call the vet and try to sneak in an appointment today. I'll try that first. And I doubt it, though. They're very busy. But I can look at the weather ahead and make an appointment for my cat. She's doing pretty well, though. She does have a problem. But I'd like to know exactly what's going on with her. She seems happy, and she tries to play and everything, so today I may run to the bank. I may do a couple other things outside since I can get my car out. Yeah. So that's what I sold. One thing going out today. And yeah. So join me on Sunday. It'll show you what I sold the entire week. I've sold something almost, I think, every day this week, which is good. So hopefully I'll see you in another video tomorrow, and then also Sunday. So be good, be blessed, stay warm, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.